All right, we're gonna do another run, follow-up run of the Fazer. Re-glued the tires, fixed the steering servo saver, lubed it up, cleaned it out. you go. That was fun and intense. I was attempting to do a little drifting, kind of getting the hang of it, putting some heat in the tires, smacking the curb here and there. It was fun. I think I could gear this thing up. I really do. It wasn't even hot, the motor, at all. When I went and cleaned it off and blew it off, it wasn't even barely warm, dude. This thing could get geared up a little, and I think I should also do the aluminum drive setup. All the out drives aluminum, and I think they make actual metal dog bones for CVs, CVAs, if you will. I'm not sure. You guys let me know. I'm new to the Fazer community. And then you can also do aluminum center drive axle out drives and an aluminum shaft for the all-wheel drive. So imagine if everything were aluminum on the drive axles and everything, and the center out drives and the center shaft. It would be smoother, faster, less centrifugal force. And then you could really gear it up without having any issues. This is a stock motor. It's a Kyosho motor. I don't know what the KV on it is, but it is brushless, so it's kind of lively. I really don't know what it would be. What do you guys think? It doesn't say right on it, so it's just a single, but I mean, it's quick, but it's not blazingly fast. You could deal with a better motor, some aluminum drive axles, shafts, CVs, and I don't know, gear it up maybe. But that was fun. So that was the follow-up run. I did tune it, I glued the tires, I fixed the steering servo saver. It had a couple issues I tweaked, and that ran really well. So thanks for checking it out. See you guys on the next time.